The 𝗚𝗲𝘁 Series 4 is out and I'm here to give you a range overview. So we're going to start with the cab. 180 horsepower engine coupled with an 8-speed gearbox, and it has all the trappings you would expect from a luxury vehicle. Now we also have a 10-inch TFT screen up front, not just for sat-nav but also things such as Apple CarPlay, so you can connect your phone and enjoy your tunes as you're driving. So now we're moving on to the lounge. Now, as you'd expect from a Bailey, they're very comfy and very well designed. Not just for lounging, but for dining too. So we have occasional pedestal tables and a freestanding table as well that are securely fastened away when not in use. Moving on to the bedrooms, incredibly comfortable. So whether you are going for a 2, 4 or a 6 berth, from a fixed bed to an electric drop-down bed, they are there to ensure you get that good night's sleep. Moving on to the kitchen, this is where the 𝗚𝗲𝘁 range really wins. From that large absorption fridge to that separate grill and oven, all the equipment is there that you could ever need. Not only that, there's plenty of worktop space too. Moving on to the bathroom, they are incredibly roomy, and importantly, each model has a separate shower. Now all the fixtures and fittings are exactly what you'd expect from home or even in a hotel. So we have plenty of 230-volt sockets, USBs, USB-Cs and wireless charging. And to make sure you stay warm and toasty whatever the weather, we have an Alde wet central heating fitted. Not only heats the interior of the motorhome, but also supplies your hot water. And with your warm and toasty inside to keep you entertained, there's an Alexa activated Sonos speaker. If you're looking for a luxury leisure vehicle, the 𝗚𝗲𝘁 range contains things you might not expect from a motorhome, such as large kitchens, large bathrooms and large bedrooms.